Hi everyone, now let's talk about insert method in Python list data structure. This insert method can be used to insert an element wherever we want in list data structure. Now let's see an example here. I am just taking products equal to, then you can say, or you can say you can take it anything, Samsung, then you can say Apple, then Nokia, then MI, then you can go for LG. So these are the values I have. Now I'm just taking products, then print of type of products. So then this will be the list. Now what I'm trying to do here, I'm trying to insert an element here. So which, or you can say print of total elements from list is, then you can say length of products, then try to execute here. Then total elements will be 5. Now I am just taking here, I am just inserting value here. Now let's see what I am trying to take. Products, and then here what we need to understand, products dot, that means data structure products dot insert, then you can say value, you can give like Intel. So when we execute now, print of, then you can say products, and same thing you take how many elements are there, those elements we need to display number. Then see here, insert expected 2 arguments got 1. That means insert method or function will take 2 parameters. Okay, so that means insert, here you can say parameter 1 and then param 2, or you can say insert, then you can say arg1 then arg2. So what will be the then first parameter, or you can say first argument 1 will be the index number, and then arg2 will be the index value, or you can say value. So we need to specify that one if you want to insert. Now what I am trying to do, I have only mentioned only value here, not index number. Now we need to pass index number here along with the value. Now what I am trying to take here, I am trying to take index number, that is 3, then value will be Intel. Now try to execute here. Previously the product list will be, then you can say, now let's see. So previously the product list will be 5, and then here one more element is added using this insert method, but where it is added at index number 3. So index number 3 will be like, you can say 0 1 2, then 3, in the 3 place it is Intel is added. So now 0 1 2 3, so that means you can write it if you want. The element will be, it's added at third index number. So now wherever you want, entire the program or entire the data structure. Wherever you want, you can able to write it, or you can able to add. You can able to add 0, that means it will come at the first index number, the first element. Now let's see here, intel is the first element. Wherever you want, you can able to change. It's very important interview question also. So in between, can we add element? Yes, we can add using index method. So now let's see here, I'm trying to do it 5. So 5 will be the intel here, the last one that will be. And whenever I'm trying to add, now let's see here, like you can say 6, then it will be added. So whatever you give number, that will be added in the last itself. If you give 100 also, then it will be added, that's it, the last number it will be taken. So the last element will be added. So this is the index number here, how we can add a value for that. Now you can take one more example for you. Now what I am trying to take here, same thing. Now you can say color equal to 10 red, blue, 10 pink here. Now so I'm just taking print of color, then print of type of color, and then you can say print of total elements. Now you can see length of color. Now I am just taking color dot, you can say color dot insert, then index number 2, then here you can use anything black, I am just able to take. Now again you can pick that how many elements are here. Now you can say print of, after inserting what will be the elements. Now let's see, so red, blue and pink is there. Now here red, blue, black is inside that at index number 2, 0, 1 and 2 place it's added. So total number of elements will be 4 here. Now if you want, you can able to add it 0 also. It will be black, the first element, and you can able to add value here. Then you can say 70, 89, but it will be added at the last itself. So that is the method we can use, insert method, to add value in the dictionary, in the list data structure wherever we required. Whether you can add from first, or whether you can add from last, or you can add from middle. So in interview question we have, can we access any element, can we add any element inside, in between the values, elements in the data structure? Yes, we can add using insert method. So this is all about list data structure insert method. Okay, so thank you so much. See you in the next class.